Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am back after a at least it feels like a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful face is back. Looks like we got market moved down. We are in an uptrend. Actually, let's wait for this. Wow. All right, so ES and Nasdaq kind of at different places, but right now Bears are in control. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. If you have not already subscribed or followed, don't forget to do so. But right now, let's look at what the market is doing here. Looks like we're moving back down. We got VWAP down, basically 620. We're not too far from it. We're like, give or take 10 points, 15. I mean, 10 to 20 points away from VWAP here. Not really looking to go long. Looks like the bulls did not hold up here. So we did have a break of structure here. But as always, this stream is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So do not copy anything I do. Not zip, nothing. Don't do none of that. But I just got back from a trip. So I am back from Seattle. Literally just got back about an hour ago. Got home, showered, ate some dinner, and now I'm here. Oh, whoa, we are just going down. What is going on here? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, what a move down. Let's wait to see what the market wants to give to us. To be honest, I was kind of tempted just to go short up here, which with my play, I would have gotten it, but it's a little bit, not the cleanest setup. Not gonna lie, so I was a little bit hesitant there. To be honest, I think if the bulls would have held up here, would have been a good long, but we're just selling back down. Asia's been, I haven't really seen Asia the past couple of days, but are we gonna reverse now? Is that what's happening? I mean, looking like the Bears are definitely in control, so I might be. I'm looking for shorts right now. That's what I'm doing. Let's wait to see if we can get some kind of bear flag set up. Maybe come retest 40s or like 35 to 40 level. Unless this is just a fake dump and then it's gonna pump up. So if the bulls are gonna take control again, I would imagine they want a V reversal this in some way, shape, or form. I mean, I was kind of joking about it, but are they really gonna do it? If not, though, I mean, you come back down to this level, 29,570. Tuesday, though, was crazy. Absolutely just freaking went bonkers and just pumped. I don't know what all went down because I was kind of out of touch. Here we go. We are now at VWAP, so expecting to see some chop here. There's an 8 EMA up at 32, so I think there's a good chance that we retest it. 35-ish level. Let's wait to see what happens here. Unless it just turns to a one pullback type of deal. Something like this. I might not get filled in here. But that's the plan. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know if I should mark it in. because I don't want to miss it, but at the same time, I've been burned in the past, so I want to see if this next candle that does print will print up here, maybe break 35 and take another dip back down, or do we hold support here and this is the level that we just pumped to the sky, bring it back up here to 29,730. Ultimately though, this is what I'd be looking for. Oh, excuse me. $35 minutes, not looking too friendly here. There we go. Got about 10 seconds left until we open a new candle here. You want to tag me in first before you dip? If it touches my level where I want to take profit, then I'm probably going to cancel the trade. Yeah, I'm going to cancel it. I wanted it to pump up first before it dropped. I mean, it probably could just drop now all the way, right? And I'm going to miss it because I didn't mark it in, but it's fine. We'll just wait for it to keep dropping. But if we can hold some sort of bear flag here is what I'm looking for. Would love to see us break 35 and reject off this 35 to 40 level and close back down here. But sometimes we might not get that. ES is just kind of stair-stepping down, so I feel like marketing is probably going to be the right move, but I'm going to be patient here. There's no rush. Also, I have a major sunburn. My hair's a mess, and I literally just got back from my trip today. Oh, yeah. Marketing was the move. Well, we missed it, but sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. Sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. Looking good for a bear flag. Would love to see them retest 35 to 40s again. I think that would be better. I mean, I'd like it more. But, I mean, this could be just a one pullback and then it just continues falling down to this level, which would ultimately suck. I'm not gonna lie. I would hate to miss that whole move, right? Oh, looks like it's going. ES is still just stair-stepping down, so I think that's affecting it as well. We got 29,600s coming up on the 15-minute chart. Let's go pump this back up to 35, 40s. Hold another bear flag. Looking good. I'm gonna take a market buy. We'll put the stop loss just right at 10, so very tight 6-point stop loss, but looking to see if we can just get this bounce back up to VWAP here. Retest 30 to 35 first before it drops down would be ideal. So retest VWAP again. Let's get this pump. See, the bulls want to hold on here. Give one more pump before the dump. Come on, one more pump before the dump. I don't think that's too much to ask for, right? It could. We'll just wait and see here. Looking like the Bears got it. Not good for the Bulls. Yeah, ES starting to pull back up a little bit too. Looking good. All right. Good. Can we get this pump? Let's get above this candle here, 23, 25. I think it should be a pretty quick little pop back up to 26, 75. So let's go here. Got ES pumping back up. Let's go. Oh no, don't die yet. I need you to keep popping up a little bit more. Oh, bummer. All right. Come on, let's go test that the highs of these again before you drop. One more pop above VWAP here. Let's get the quick little pop, 25, go to 26.75. Just pop, get that little, you know. Oh, come on, don't die here. He is trying to get back up there. Immediate rejection. Tough. Looking like the Bears still got it. Hey. Can we hold this a little bit more? Let's get this, keep pumping back up to 30s, 35. Jeez. New 5 minutes. Not a good close. Here we go. Can we get the Bulls to push it back to 25? 26. Come on, bulls. Let's get this quick little pump back up. Retest those highs of this little stack here. We got the ask at 20. 20 is just holding us down. $19.50. $19.75. Can we get back to 23? $20. $21. Saw $21.75 for a bit there. Really holding us down. $21. I'm gonna kill that right there. I don't like this. We're not getting the move that I want. I'll take $36. It's just getting rejected at every level. That's fine with me. We'll take this break. It's basically break even. We make nothing on it really. Let's see, it'll probably want to drop now. I do hope it drops because now that I got out of it, I don't want it to go to my TP, right? But sometimes that's just ego talking. I say that so that I feel good about myself and being right. But that's not what trading is. Trading is just planning the trade and trading the plan. Lovely. It is going to my TP. 23, 24. Oh, yep, it's going to it. Oh, there we go. I mean, screw this. I'm staying out of this junk now, dude. $23. I think they're gonna get back up there at some point. I think I just got spooked. Fine by me. Fine by me. Fine by me. Fine by me. Fella, this is bad. I'm already like 20. I'm already that old. I'm already balding. It's not good. Oh, go now. 24. They break 25. It should be a pretty clean shot. 30. $25 is holding the market down right now. I mean, rejecting off of VWAP too. VWAP's just holding major resistance. There we go, trying again for it. $25, there you go. Well, had the right plan, I just got spooked. Wasn't happening enough. It wasn't happening quick enough. A little bit too slow. My face is so dry. I'm definitely not hydrated enough. Oh, buffer these at okay. It's just truly unfortunate that I am no longer able to trade with Apex. Well, buy any more evals, but it's okay. Sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. So what's the plan now? Well, we did have a breaker structure for a 3-minute breaker structure, but right now we're just kind of stair-stepping up. What I'm afraid of now is that this is the reversal, right? And they recover this move, because technically on the 5-minute chart we are still in an uptrend. I mean, would you consider this, you know, some support? Technically, I guess this whole area, but if the bears want to bring it back down, they have to hold some resistance up here. But I would rather them hold resistance at 30, at 35. I mean, 40, a wick to 40, close below 35, and dump back down. Right now, we're just nothing's really happening. So bulls are definitely in control. I don't want to short here, because if I do, I mean, it's not the best position, and you get this junk. Oh, yep. What did I say, folks? If this is going to reverse, would love to see them just cover this gap right here. Just immediately just cover this and hold another support level up here, and then look to take another long. But if they hold resistance here, I think the bears will come back in control. So we gotta get this or it just dumps immediately. I mean, that works too. That also works. Don't you guys love trading? Looking good though for a bear flag. Tell you what. There's no wick up here, so no wick either on the 5-minute. Would love to see this next candle print green. Come test it. Reject off again up this level up here. I mean, two things. If they break down, I mean, good chance they could fill this move down here. Come back down to this area of support. But if they move to the upside, you got this level. So you got that, or you got this down here. Kind of in the middle. So in the middle. Just waiting to see what happens. Such a slob, dude. I feel like such a slob. VWAP creating a lot of choppiness. Ooh. Moving on down. Still can't believe it just spiked up and then came straight down. We're chopping, folks. All right, right now we are attempting again. Bulls are trying to break up. Let's see, do they recover this move and move on up? Or is this going to be the flag that plays out to dump down? What a perfect bounce off of VWAP. Do we hold resistance here? And the Bears take control? Or the Bulls come back in? If they're going to move up, I'd love to see them start moving up here pretty quick. Back up to 70s. I think would be a good spot to get to. Stick in the 70s and then hold some support up here. But if they close back under 35, would look good, right? Or even close down here, 20s. Bring it back down. Right now the Bulls are in control. Thought I would go long, but I don't think it's not what I really want to. It's kind of sketch. '40s, 35s. This is where I kind of want to hold my hands, right? I'm not going to get in just yet. I don't want to get in. Knowing my chances, I get long here and the market just immediately tanks. Guarantee it. Guarantee it. Looking like the Bulls are trying to bring it back. While we are waiting, I mean, that's a good 3-minute close. How does the 5-minute react? 5 minutes, it's coming back down. Oh, I hate this so much. Whenever we get this kind of pattern, ugh, disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Five-minute closed. Bullish. I mean, kind of look like the Bulls are back. I mean, if you're asking me. Let's be patient. See if the Bears still got it in them. Chopping up here. Just wait for it. Let's see if we can hold resistance up here at 40. It's not looking the best for short, to be honest, but sometimes you don't get the perfect looks that you want, if that makes sense. So now what I'm gonna do, oh, hold on y'all, I gotta change my battery camera, so actually let me do that. Y'all just give me a 1 second, we'll be right back. Oh no, my camera. All right, we're back. We're back. Hopefully that'll last us. Well, it looks like the Bulls are back. I mean, shoot. So Nasdaq and ES are following hand in hand. Looking good, looking good. All right. It's not the best bear flag kind of playing out, but I mean, lower high. So let's see how we react up here. How do we fit? Oh, yo, what is going on? All right, I'm gonna stay away from this for a bit. All right, boom. This is setting up for a short. Looking good. Taking this break down. I'm going to play a little bit. Definitely we'll put it at. It's a big stop loss, but we'll put it here. See if we can target these lows down here. Oh, I think I fumbled into this. I'm gonna kill that right there. Let's wait a bit. I'm gonna wait for a better entry. That was just stupid of me. Let's retest 75s. This would be better for short. So let's see if we can get this retest of 30. There we go. Much better entry. If it takes me out up there, then it takes me out up there. But I like this move down, strong sell. Let's see if we can get the bears to come straight through, and we push it right back down to 10s. We might even test 600s, but I think this would be good. Let's see if the bears have enough juice to just flush it down now. Let's just continue flushing. Break through 20s. Let's go to 10s. There we go. There we go. And we get the bears to push on through. 20 is going to be a little bit tough. We are coming to the previous support area. So 2015 going to be a little bit tough to get to that level. But if we can break through 20 and just clean, I mean, if we can close below 15, I think it would be beautiful for the continuation of the short. There we go. Oh my goodness. That's exactly what we love seeing. That's what we love seeing right there. Strong move down. That's why I didn't want to go long. Immediately came down. So I can't complain there. We're up 455. Beautiful, love it. So looks like they might be coming down here now for the bears. But just want this trade. I don't want to try to push my luck. I'm pretty much done trading on this account. We're at 455. I still have the other two. These are funded that I have not traded yet. The other two. But this is good. We're just taking it nice and slow. There's no need to rush. That was a perfect entry short though. I'm glad it tagged me in and then it just immediately dumped down. That's what we love to see. If all my trades could go like that, man, I'd be so freaking happy. I would not complain at all. How much was that? Because I didn't even see it play. I just looked away. Had my TP at a good spot too. So that was about $700 or something. I didn't even see how much profit it was. I gotta scroll back on my video. 435. Oh, it was only 425? That doesn't seem right. 25 because I was down 180. How much was that? Because I sold 35. I guess it was only 400 something. Huh. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I will not complain at all. Now the market's bumping right back up. Are we gonna reverse here? Let's see, so we took profit at, oh, it got me at 604, okay. So could have had some more profit, but look, I'm not crying about profit that I left on the table. That doesn't matter to me. What I'm worried about is just taking profit. Now, with that being said as well, I am trying to build a $1 million business through trading and personal branding. So the goal right now, obviously this is my sole source of income right now. It's just through trading. I am officially now a full-time day trader. I think this is one little pullback and it's going to continue going down. But either way, now the goal is just to keep stacking up cash and keep building my business. So if you haven't already subscribed and followed, don't forget to do so and follow the journey, because I am documenting this. I've never done it before. Never I mean, I've never even seen $1 million in my personal account. So this is me, you know, basically starting from scratch, just like everybody else out there. And I have been trading for, oh wow, could have just gone short right there. Could have, should have, right? But either way, what was I saying? Oh, right. Building my business. Never done it before, but you know, I've always wanted to do it. One of the goals is not to work a job. So if you don't know my story, I have been day trading for, this is I think my 4th year or 5th year now. I think it's my 4th. Yeah. 4th or 5th, but either way, 4 years day trading. First 2 years were unprofitable. I was just losing money. 3rd year, I made I profited about probably like 2,000. It wasn't much, but this year has been my most profitable so far. And I've decided that I want to go full time. So oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, y'all. Violet move. Well, kind of tricky here now. I wish the Bears would have closed down here. Would have been better, to be honest, to look for another short. But now that they closed up here, it could be time for like another reversal. But I ain't stressed. I'm not stressing. I am not stressing at all. Let's see. Do we have any news tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen? Japan has news. We have FOMC member daily speaking. Don't know who that is. If it's not the whoever Jerome Powell is supposed to be, then it's not important. We do have initial jobless claims tomorrow, 7:30, an hour before market open. That should give us a little bit of a spike in the market. I mean, I don't know. Okay, so my max run, okay, it was $605. That's what it was. That's why, okay. Because I was like, I was down 180, but I don't know. I came up, I was like, this makes sense. Oh, hey, yo, we're moving right back down. That was a short play. Another bear flag play now. Dang, dude, 20 points. Can't cry about that. Can't cry about that. Damn, we are breaking down now. What a move. What a move. Oh, sorry, y'all. Just had to send a message. Good move with the Bears. 70, that's about 30 points. I mean, About 30 points now. That's pretty solid. One mini is about $600 at 30 points. That's really good. I mean, I scored that up here, but you take that multiple days in a row. I mean, shoot. Take that. Coming down now. I mean, got a huge support level here. So this is from today. What time is it? My camera's blocking away. Is it 3? So we might see a stair stepper down. Start to see some chop here. But, I mean, I think I'm done here, especially trading with this account. I'll come back tomorrow and trade tomorrow, but right now, I'm not really seeing anything else, and Asia's kind of slow right now, so, I mean, Asia's always slow sometimes, but I don't want to keep trading here and give back any more profit. I'm definitely done trading this account. Like, I'm not giving anything back, but if you did tune in, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and stay along for the journey because I am documenting everything that I am doing. I'm probably going to do it in like an episodic way in episodes, so you're not gonna want to miss that. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next stream.